Hi friends, welcome to EXAMMATE PSC. University Assistant in Kerala, Assistant Grade, Block Panchayat Secretary, Junior Employment Officer, Sub Inspector Officer, ICDS Supervisor, Block Development Officer, SC/ST, Assistant Jailer, Woman Sub Inspector. ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറുകളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള IT ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, 1 nibble equal to 1 nibble എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4 bits ആണ്. Sleep in computer refers to option D, shut down the computer without closing the running application. റൺ ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാതെ ഷട്ട് ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെയാണ് സ്ലീപ്പ് ഇൻ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ടു പ്രോസസ് ഡേറ്റ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ യൂസ് മെഷീൻ ലാംഗ്വേജ്. ഡേറ്റ പ്രോസസ് ചെയ്യാൻ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് മെഷീൻ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ആണ്. വിച്ച് വൺ ഓഫ് ദി ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ആൻ ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം? ഇതിനകത്ത് ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം അല്ലാത്തത് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ സഫാരി. സഫാരി ഒരു ബ്രൗസറാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഹൂ ആർ ദി ഫൗണ്ടർ ഓഫ് വാട്സപ്പ്? ബ്രിയാൻ ആക്ടോൺ ആൻഡ് ജാൻകുമാണ് വാട്സപ്പിന്റെ ഫൗണ്ടർ. Software that aim to gather information about a person or organization without their knowledge, that may send such information to another entity without the consumer's consent, or that assert control over a device without the consumer's knowledge. Answer option A, spyware. ഒരു പേഴ്സൻ്റെ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ്റെ അറിവോടെ കൂടി അല്ലാതെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന കൺസ്യൂമേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ സ്പൈവെയർ എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Section which provides punishment for sending offensive message through communication service. Option A, section 66A. IBM stands for International Business Mission. Computer which store the different web page is called. Answer option C, web server. The very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up CPU is. Option B, cache memory. The brain of a computer system is CPU, Central Processing Unit. An input device that interprets pencil or pen mark on a paper media is. Answer option A, OMR, Optical Marker Reader. The term phishing is an attempt to obtain sensitive information from the computer system. IT Act in India was amended in option D, 2008. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Which of the following programming language is classified as low-level language? Option A, COBOL. COBOL low-level language ആണ്. DES stands for Data Encryption Standard. The program that monitors users' activity on internet and transits that information in background to somewhere else is termed as. Option A, spyware. The process of recovering deleted and damaged file from criminals' computers comes under. Option C, computer forensics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The initial term of registration of trademark in India is. Option A, 10 years. Which among the following statements are true about registers inside a CPU? Option B, only 2 is true. Registers are voluntary. The exclusive right granted for an invention is called. Option B, patent. An amendment to the Indian IT Act was passed by the Parliament in. Option C, 2008. Which sections of Indian IT Act was invalidated by Supreme Court of India? Option A, section 66A. Attempting to acquire username, password, etc. by claiming the original website of a popular website is called. Option D, phishing. Who is considered as the father of internet? Option C, Wyndham Gray Cerf. Which among the following is not an operating system? Option D, Safari. TCP or IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. The speed of a data transmission in internet is measured in bit per second. The set of programs used to control booting of a computer is stored in ROM. 1 KB memory means option D 1024 bytes. Which of the following is a system software? Answer option D all of the above. Operating system, compiler, device driver എല്ലാം system softwares ആണ്. Which among the following is not an DBMS? Option C Java. The user file in a computer can be permanently stored in. Answer option C hard disk. A computer used in internet is identified using it. Option A IP address. A high-level computer's language can be used by any computer user. Microsoft Word is a software used for creating letters and documents. Letters and documents create ചെയ്യാനാണ് മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റ് വേർഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. The components which supplies adequate power for motherboard of a computer is switched mode power supply. The speed of a computer can be expressed in the term of hertz because is the frequency of the supplied clock pulse to microprocessor. Which of the following is not an operating system? Answer option C GIMP. Microsoft Windows, Linux, DOS operating system. Who among the following is the founder of World Wide Web Consortium? Answer option D Tim Berners-Lee. 1024 megabytes is equivalent to. Answer option A 1 gigabyte. Who among the following founded the Free Software Foundation? Option A Richard Stallman. Which one of the following is the fastest memory inside a computer? Option D register memory. Which one of the following is not an input device of a computer system? Option C printer. Printer output device ആണ്. Which among the following is the agency designated to respond to incident related to computer security in India as part of the Information Technology Act 2008? Answer option A CERT. Which of the following is used as the language for designing web page? Option B HTML. In binary system, decimal number 16 is represented as. Option D 10000. The patent company of Google founded in 2015 by the owner of the Google is. Option B Alphabet. The bus speed is directly tied to the speed of the computers as. Option C ROM. Dash type of connection lets a computer communicate with, control and record electronic musical instruments. Option B MIDI. If you regularly back up your data, this is a dash against the threat of a data loss. Option D countermeasure. Which abbreviation is used to refer to DSL service in general? Option B XDSL. Firewire is another name for the dash interface. Option B IEEE 1394. In the right setting, a thief can try dash information by listening in while the victims give credit cards or other personal information to a legitimate agent. Option C snagging. The Dash Act of 1974 placed universal restrictions on sharing of information about by the federal agencies without written consent. Option B Privacy Act. Dash is the term used for a practice where people travel around the city with a specialized device searching for unprotected WAN. Option A hotspot. Dash is the form of warfare which is used by the cyber terrorist to harm or gain control of important computer systems. Option D cyber terrorism. Dash continually look for a new web page and send their address back to the search engine's database. Option B, crawlers. Which technology is used in a CD-ROM drive? Option C, optical. A memory management technique that use hard drive space as additional RAM. Option B, virtual memory. VIRUS virus stands for option B, Virtual Information Resource under SIES. The translator program that converts source code in high-level language into machine code line by line is called option D, interpreter. High-level language machine language ആയിട്ട് line by line ആയിട്ട് convert ചെയ്യുന്നത് interpreter ആണ്. Programs stored in ROM are called option D, firmware. Which of the following is a universal gate? Option A, NAND gate. NAND, NAND gate. Which of the following circuit is used as a memory device in a computer? Option D, flip-flop. Which of the program is not a utility? Option C, spooler. What is the number of bit pattern provided by a 7-bit code? Option A, 128. Which is or are the main provisions of Information Technology Act 2000? Option D, all of the above. What is the full form of CRT? Option D, cathode ray tube. Which technology is used in a CD-ROM drive? Option C, optical. Programs stored in ROM are called option B, firmware. A program that has capability to infect other program and make copies of it and spread into other program is called option A, virus. From what location are the first computer instruction available on boot up? Option B, ROM BIOS. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further divided into option B, sectors. Which of the following is the first complements of 10? Option A, 0, 1. An optical input device that interprets pencil marks on paper media is option D, OMR, optical mark reader. Dash refers to email that appears to have been originated from one source when it was actually sent from another source. Option C, email spoofing. The symbol used in an assembly language are option A, mnemonics. The first generation computers used option A, vacuum tubes. A bytes consist of how many bits? Option C, 8. Internet works on option C, both A and C, circuit switching, packet switching. Cyber slackers is option C, members of an organization using its internet resources for non-work purpose. Speed of the modem is measured in option D, bits per second. Which of the following language is used for artificial intelligence? Option B, Prolog. GUI refers to option A, graphical user interface. Computers use the dash number system to store data and perform calculations. Option D, binary. Spam is option B, unwanted instant messages. What protocol is used between email servers? Option D, SMTP. An attempt to make a computer resources unavailable to its intended user is called option C, denial of service attack. Name the act that governed the internet usage in India. Option B, the Information Technology Act 2000. Who is considered to be the first programmer? Option A. Ada Lovelace. Codes consisting of light and dark marks of various thickness which may be optically read is known as. Option B. Barcode. .mbg extension refers usually to what kind of files? Option C. Animation or movie files. The inventor of World Wide Web. Option A. Tim Berners-Lee. The brain of any computer system is. Option C. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Thank you for watching.